Good morning. I'm Lori with Arkansas Yarn Company.
And I'm Lindsay with Always Yarn First.
And today we're doing a Sock Yarn Society unboxing for the month of August. Yes.
So, spoilers incoming if you haven't received yours.
Yes. So if you haven't received yours, don't watch this video. This is it's called Dance in the Rain. That's the information card that talks about all of the things that are inside the box.
Again, matchy match.
Yes, we like to match.
And look at this umbrella, y'all.
Lindsay put the umbrellas together, and I believe the states this time.
And I have seen these umbrellas in the back for like a month, and I'm like, when are we getting the umbrellas? When are we getting the umbrellas? I've been so anxious. When you get your box, if you have, it will be tucked in because we were trying to make sure that they didn't get bent up or anything. So
yeah,
they should be in your yarn.
You'll want to pull it out. It's going to be tucked under. I did all the tucking. So when you get it, it's going to come like that where it's tucked under. Mm-hmm. So when you go in to pull it out, it should come out pretty nicely, but be very careful because this little umbrella stick will sometimes snag in the yarn. Yeah. So don't just yank it out is what we're saying.
Yeah.
But we tucked it under just to kind of give it a little bit extra protection.
Yep.
I'm in love with this color.
Mm-hmm.
It's gorgeous.
Hold the yarn up.
Oh.
So, those guys.
You always have little rubber ducks in the rain.
Can you see that they're glittery?
They sparkle. Yes.
Because, of course.
I love them so much. I'm so excited. I want to take a pair for myself.
Like, I feel like this would almost be great if you did peeps for the New Year and you have all different colors of these guys. Like, I just want every color.
They're adorable.
And then a tee.
So the tee is Meadow Walk, and I really wanted to go with something. It's a green tee, which is, part of the theme. So, and blueberry and blue cornflower. So it's green and blue cornflower, blueberry essence. So green and blue makes teal. So even down to the tee, it matches.
And then we have a pattern.
So my friend Laura from Knit for Brains, she designed this Diva Cow pattern, and so she graciously let us put it in the Sock Yarn Society. Mm-hmm. I can't wait to knit that, so that's going to be on my needles soon. And so yeah, the whole pattern is on front and back. This pattern is not available on Ravelry. And it is not, so if you lose this is your only copy. So I can't get you another copy. You would have to buy it from her Etsy site. So anyway, this is your only copy. So please be careful where you put it.
And this is just a great to hold on to, just because it's so nice to have one skein patterns that aren't socks.
Yes. I actually have been putting mine in like, I have a notebook that recipes fit in, mm-hmm. and so I've been putting mine in those so that they're all in one place.
Yeah.
And I don't have to.
And I have a folder.
Try to remember. Yes.
Of stuff like
that.
So
make sure you put it up because this one is the only one that we can get for you. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us for the Sock Yarn Society. We're having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Getting ready to dye the September colorway. Super excited about that. That color is going to be gorgeous. Mm-hmm. You're going to love the goodies that go in it. This time I, as always, put a lot of thought. And next September's box is no exception.
Yep, always.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you have a really great day, and we will talk with you soon.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.